Welcome to the fifth lesson in this course. In this lesson we are going to see how can we use an item from a different collection as a value inside our main collection. Okay, so let's immediately go to our collection here and create a new collection. Let's call it category, hit confirm, and we have our new collection created. We don't need any new fields here, so I'll just go and finish editing immediately. Now we may think, why did we create a new collection? That's because every single item that we create in this new collection will be a category option for our main collection here. So let's start adding items, and you will understand better once we start connecting everything. So let's first of all create this one. This is going to be the name for my category. Let's hit confirm. And you can see that we have the empty collection. Here we haven't added any new fields since we only need this name field, which is created by the default. Let's publish this here, finish editing, and in the meantime I will add more items here. I have created 4 new items here, and how can we access this item from the category collection inside our main blog collection? Well, for that we need to go to the settings of our blog collection, add new field, and we would need a relation field. Let's select it and call it category, hit confirm, and here into the options you will have this collection drop down. If I open it, all of my collections will be listed. Now I need to select the collection from which I want to pull the items. We need a category items, so I'm going to select this collection and hit save, hit finish editing, and we can now open one of our items here, scroll all the way down, and you can see our new field called category here. If I hit select items button here, you will see that I can choose items from my category collection. So let's choose something like this one here, hit finish, and you can see that the item from the category collection is assigned as the value on this field inside my blog collection. Now let's hit finish editing and let's set this on our web page. So let's go here to the blog single, and this here is going to be our category tag. So if I go here to the settings and go here into the variable, open the page, open the data, you can see that I have this category dropdown. If I open it, I can choose different values from this dropdown here. So let's choose the name, hit the save button, and you will see that we've successfully pulled the item from a different collection inside our blog collection and assigned it as a value to our item here. Okay, so now let's go to our main page here and let's apply this value to this tag here as well. But one note here, in the meantime, I went back into the CMS and set the value inside category field for every single item inside my blog collection. So let's go here. So we need to select the tag, then go to the settings panel, open the variables here, open the blog, and open the category dropdown. And now inside this category dropdown you can choose different options, and all of these options are connected to the item from the category collection. We need the name field since in that field we have inputted the name for our category. So let's hit save, and you can see that now every single article here has its category set up. And we came to the end of our fifth lesson. We saw how can we use an item from a different collection inside our main blog collection. Or in other words, we saw how to use a single relation field. I'll be seeing you in the next lesson.